The last year's been a whirlwind, really. We opened the doors, didn't really know what was going to happen. Bookings have been non-stop since.
We have just been lucky enough to win an award for Pub of the Year for the South West, and we also got ranked the 29th best pub in the UK, which is pretty cool, within the first year. We reopened the garden recently after a lot of work from a few volunteers. Put loads of new bulbs in, lots of new herbs, vegetables, lots of different things. Just kind of spruced it up a little bit. There's some new lighting in there, which is amazing.
People were blown away by the garden, just what was sort of an overgrown space that had been neglected forever, really, has been completely renovated into something that's like going to draw people to come here.
Charlie and Hannah said we'll have this nice big opening party to kick it off, and we've got the Limpley Stokes coming to play, and we'll have a barbecue, and what good fun that was.
It was.
The sun shone, hallelujah, and the place was absolutely mobbed.
It was.
Wonderful.
We did about 160 people for the barbecue in 2 and a bit hours. So yeah, it was really busy here. The pub garden's really important to us. It's a really nice safe space for families to go out there and sit in the garden and enjoy the sunshine.
People sit out here sort of for the whole day on the weekends, which they probably wouldn't do if they were sat inside.
All the chefs go out there and pick vegetables, pick herbs.
And then we integrate those things into our dishes as and when we need them. It comes out, it gets picked, it goes into the kitchen, and then within a matter of hours, it's back on a plate, potentially in the garden, being eaten again.
And it kind of goes with our ethos of use everything locally sourced. Can't get more local than the garden. I think mood lighting's really important. Same with inside the building. Everyone's always complimented us on how nice the lighting is. They're on dimmable switches. We can turn it down when it becomes dusk. Same for the garden. Obviously, when it becomes a little bit darker of the evening, we want to light the garden up so people can still enjoy the space. We chose the Cambridge lights because they are beautiful and they really go with the aesthetics we wanted in the garden. They don't point straight into the garden, they actually point to the wall. The light comes off the wall, which still looks really beautiful in the plants, and it just creates a really nice atmosphere outside.
The Corston lighting just sort of creates a very nice, subtle, warm light along the back. It sort of draws people, I think, as well. People a bit like flies. It sort of draws people in that direction.
It's lovely being here in the nice summer evening when you can sit outside and you know, you don't worry about it's all pitch black, let's go in. We are nicely illuminated.
There's something very romantic about some lights in a garden in the evening. It's to see, you know, all these young lovers who are going to come down here and sit and enjoy it.
Anything that brings the pub outside, that's got to be good, hasn't it?
We love it. We absolutely love working here. We love being part of the community, meeting and seeing new people every day, seeing regulars every day. It's really, really rewarding, and yeah, I think we've become a beating heart of the village, or part of a beating heart of the village, which is nice.